Welcome to Jessica G Vibe. Hi guys, my name is Jessica and you're highly welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I cooked my Nigerian jollof rice. So delicious. You can also do it yourself, okay? Alright, so here I have my fresh tomatoes and pepper. I blended the two with my hand blender because I want it to have a rough look. I didn't want it to be smooth, but you can blend your own fresh tomatoes according to your choice. Then here I have my onion, then I have my hot dog, I have my tomato paste, fish, and my 2 cubes of Maggi salt. Then here we go. Okay, all you need to do is to dry your pot, add your oil, then allow the oil to be a bit hot. Then you can now add your onion, your fresh tomato, and fry for about 1 minute. Then the next thing I did is to add the hot dog. Okay, and please, the hot dog is optional. Okay, you can add it depending on your choice. So I added this with my fish together and fried for a few seconds. Then all the spices that I needed for this wonderful jollof rice, I added everything at the same time. Nutmeg, rosemary, 2 cubes of Maggi, and that's it. So now I added the tomato paste and fried them together. Okay, so I fried all this together for a few seconds. I took my fish out to avoid it scattering inside the pot. Then after frying it for a few seconds, I added the water. This water depends on the quantity of rice that you are cooking. For this food is a 1-man food, or latest 2 persons food, but I cook this food just for myself. Okay, it's just a small quantity of rice, so you add all your ingredients according to the quantity of food that you are cooking. So after adding the water, cover your pot and allow it to boil. Okay, then you add your rice, then finally you add your fish on top the rice. Okay, that's it. So I use short grain rice, very dry. Okay, I parboil the rice before cooking it finally, but you can just wash it with just ordinary water and salt depending on your choice. Okay, if you watch closely when I was frying the stew, I did not add my tomato paste immediately. I added the fresh tomatoes. The reason why is because I want this particular food to have a different taste than the usual. Okay, so but you can add your own, fry your fresh tomatoes and your tomato paste at the same time before you add other ingredients. Okay, all depends on your choice and the taste that you want your food to have. Okay, so guys, this food is so delicious. Please leave your comments below. I am open to answer all your questions. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. I know that some of us will be wondering why I always like to cook rice. I love rice so much. I like to eat different type of jollof rice, so I have different ways of cooking my jollof rice. Okay, stay with me here and you will learn a lot from me. Leave your comments below, like and share our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. Bye.